What up, everybody? How's it going? ZachAttacksFat here, and today we are attacking a 5K. So I actually set a New Year's resolution for myself to run a 5K this year because I believe back in 2016 I set a New Year's resolution to run a 5K and I never did it. So this year I wanted to kind of redeem myself and do one. So I heard about this run. It's in town. It's for Habitat for Humanity. And I know somebody else is doing it and they're like, hey, you want to do this? And because I made that resolution, I was like, well, I guess now's the perfect time. I might as well just run this 5K. I haven't prepared for the 5K at all in any sort of way, other than the fact that like I do cardio every day, like 30 minutes. I don't run, I do the elliptical, but it can't be that different, right? Right?
I'm dying. Doing this no prep was a bad idea.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along. You'll get to see my whole 5K process and see how I do without any sort of training. But yeah, one question I kind of have, are we supposed to wear the shirts or are the shirts just like something they give you? I think we're supposed to wear them while we're racing, right? But it's like a brand new shirt. Isn't that gonna chafe my nipples? Cause it's like, it doesn't feel very soft. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I will see you at the lake that I'm running around.
All right, so I have made it here. It's cloudy as fuck outside. I've tried to talk myself out of it. I don't even know how many times now, but I'm not doing it. I'm not bitching out on this goal again. So I'm here. We're at the Western Science Center here in Hemet, California, baby. All right, I'm here. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I don't die out on the trail. Supposedly part of it is uphill. I was not expecting that, but you know, it is what it is. We got to do the damn thing. All right, quick update. I just did a mile. I'm dying. Doing this no prep was a bad idea. But I did get the best mile time I've ever done at 11 minutes and I think 30 seconds, so it's pretty good. Especially considering that I just stopped to go pee. All right, I'll check in with you a little bit later. All right, I just made it to the halfway point. There's a turnaround back there, so I'm a bit past halfway. But man, oh man, that's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. But I'm pushing myself. I'm gonna do it. Set out to do this a long time ago. Now's the time. All right, I'm on my way back down. Over there is where I was. And now we're going back to the starting line. I'm actually pretty impressed with how well I'm doing, given the fact that I haven't ran in a really long time. But I'm gonna get going again. I'm almost there. There's the finish line. Oh man, hell yeah. So quick to update. I'm wearing pretty thin. We just hit I got about, half mile left and then I'm done. Whew. But my right psoas is a little upset with me right now. But we're just gonna power through. Only half more mile. All right, guys, I did it. It was hard, it was rough. I'm not exactly sure what my time was just because my watch got paused somehow. So my watch says I only did like 2.5 miles, but it's only at 27 minutes. I think I did it in about, I wanna say like 50 minutes. But let's see, we'll have to check my time officially some other time. But yeah, 2016 Zach is proud that I finally went through with the resolution. So I'm actually surprised, like it wasn't quite as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Given the fact like I was actually pretty intimidated because I don't run and I haven't ran and I just kind of went into this blind, but I'm pretty happy with myself, I'm pretty proud of myself, especially because I don't feel like I did too terrible. I don't know what a good 5K time is, but I think it was just a little bit above. It's between 30 and 40 minutes, I don't know. But yeah, good job, Zach.
I freaking did it. I'm actually very, very, very proud of myself for doing that. I feel like I finally brought it to fruition. It's something that I've kind of like always kind of been a little down on myself about, I'm not gonna lie, because I kind of let myself down and I didn't do something I set out to do. So it's always bothered me. It's always nagged me in the back of my head. But I did it now. I've done a 5K. I got my 2016 resolution done. I mean, it was at first was a 2016 resolution, but then I made it a 2020 resolution again to fulfill my 2016 resolution. So the first resolution of 2020 is done. Next one is to get back down to 225, and the other one is a 405-pound squat. So now that I got this one out of the way, I am feeling super motivated to do everything else. Just to kind of recap the race. Well, actually, I'm gonna go take a shower real quick and change, and then I'll kind of recap the race and my thoughts about it and everything that went down. Whew, all right, much better. So I just wanted to kind of go over some of the stats and stuff from the run, because I know that like things were a little off when I was there. I wasn't really sure what my time was. I'm still gonna try and look it up online, and hopefully they'll have the scores online, so that I could get like the official time. So my watch paused, you probably already saw, but in my app it actually tells me the total time still of the whole entire run, even though I paused it. So the distance is off because I paused it, but the entire run time is actually pretty close. I'll put it up on the screen over here, all the info, and I know it says 45 minutes, but I started my watch early before I crossed the line, and I ended it a little bit after I crossed the line. So I think I'm right around that 44-minute range. All right, so I'm actually editing this video right now, but the official scores and times are up on the website. So I'll go ahead and put my official time and my placing and everything right here. I actually did a lot better than I assumed by like 3 minutes. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with my time. I got 88th place, which is not terrible. And I honestly don't think that 41 minutes and 30 seconds is actually that bad for my first time. So I actually do think I'll do another one in the future, just because I think it'd be cool to improve on this time now and see how much better I can get at it. So I guess I get why people do this. All right, back to the video. Which, to be honest, I mean, I didn't train for it whatsoever. I do my cardio every day, but I do the elliptical most of the time. So I at least kind of have built up that cardiovascular, you know, endurance. But I'm actually very impressed with myself. I'm very happy with myself. I'm glad that I did the damn thing. Because that was one thing that I wanted to do going into this. I was like, you are not just going to walk this 5K. Because I could walk a 5K. I've walked, you know, over a 5K many, many times in my life. And so I was like, no, you're actually gonna try and put in the effort, try and get a good time, and try and do your best. And I actually got the best mile time I've ever gotten. And the crazy part is that it was like on a trail for the first like mile. So it was uphill a lot, which, I mean, for an uphill mile, and it was the best mile time I've ever recorded. So I'm pretty happy. It was, at 1 mile, it was 11 minutes and 27 seconds. So, like I said, I know that's not the best time. I'm not a runner. I didn't prepare for this. But the cool thing is now is that I have an official 5K in the books. So if I ever decide to do this again, I can at least try and improve on my time. So we'll see. I don't really have any plans to do another one. I'm very happy with myself that I finally did one, but I just don't like running all that much. I will say though, I did have a lot more fun than I thought I would doing it. And it was very fun to kind of push myself and see what I was capable of, because for so long I put this limitation on myself when it came to running. Obviously because I was morbidly obese, so I couldn't really ever run. And for some reason I had it in my head that like, once I lost the weight, I would love running because I could never do it before. But that was never the case. I never really liked running. I still don't really like running, but I'm glad that I conquered this 5K, because like I said, back in 2016, I told myself I would do it and I pussed out. I started training for it. I was like, I hate running. This is a stupid resolution anyway. I'm not gonna do it. And so when the opportunity arose for me to do this 5K, I was like, sign up, Zach, do the damn thing. It doesn't matter if you're not good, just push yourself and see what you're capable of. And I'm actually very, proud of myself, and I'm very surprised with how well that I did. So that's about it for this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm always down in my comments replying to you guys and reading your guys' comments. So let me know what your resolutions are for this year, because I want to know. I want to be inspired. I got my first resolution knocked out, and I'm wondering what your guys' are. You know, whether you've accomplished it already or you're still working on it, let me know. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.